Today on the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, we're cooking rotini pasta.
First step is to add 3 quarts of water to a 4-quart stock pot. After that, turn the fire on high and get that boiling going. Right before it starts to boil, add a salt, about a quarter teaspoon, maybe a little more if you prefer. After that, add the pasta to the water. Get to stirring so that it doesn't stick to each other, and then let it boil, and let it boil some more for about 8 to 11 minutes if you want it to the box standard, which leaves it at a point where you can put it in other dishes. That right there is 8, and after that we have 10 minutes. Shortly after that, at 11 or 12 minutes, you're going to turn off the fire, but do not drain the pasta yet. You're going to want to let it soak for an extra 1 or 2 minutes. After that, you drain it, and then you're going to find that the pasta is a lot more soft and supple, and the al dente is really all the way through, so that it's just a nice, right, firm bite to truly enjoy. What you want to make sure and do is put a bit of olive oil, or your favorite oil otherwise, inside, about 2 tablespoons for half a box or so of pasta. That's half a pound. After that, you're all set. Do-it-yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.